Hi everyone, and welcome to today's Wizardry Workshop, where we'll be making some replica prophecy orbs. You may remember these from the Order of the Phoenix movie during the battle in the Department of Mysteries. To make our version, you'll need some paper plates, paint brushes, paint in the color of your choice, LED votive candles in any color, but I think the blue ones are really fun. You'll also need clear plastic ornament balls, the kind I have break in half and easily snap back together. I believe they came from Amazon, but you can get them at most craft stores too. I'm going to start by mixing some paint to get my desired color. I'm using 2 different metallic paints and some glitter paint. Now I'll take one of my ornaments, open it up into its halves, and then apply my paint to the inside of each half. And then I'll let that sit to dry. I'm going to go ahead and paint my other orb too. You want to let the paint dry before applying a second coat like I'm doing now. Once the second coat is dry, I think they're good to go. You don't want the paint to be completely solid. You want to see some swirls from the brush strokes to let some light through. I'll go ahead and add my LED candles now. And then I'll turn off some lights so we can get the full effect. Now I'll take a scrap of paper and write out my prophecy and attach it to the orb with some string. And we're all set.